we have a pretty simple route we're going to go on. We just head out down El Camino and loop around. We're going to actually go basically, let's face the wrong way. We're going to go to here. So if I wanted to map it, I could click on a spot and map it.
Sure.
But it's nothing crazy. We try to have a little bit of fun without breaking too many laws.
Yep.
So hopefully you'll get a chance to at least experience some speed. And it's up to you for a window up or down.
Keep it up.
And do you guys get to poke around with the other vehicles yet, or not yet?
We have, yeah.
Okay, cool. So otherwise it's the same. So these are all launch edition spec, quad motor, 835 horsepower, 3 seconds 0 to 60, 11,000 pound towing capacity trucks.
Yeah, we've got a Model Y that's basically the same color as this one.
Oh, nice. Okay. How long have you had the Model Y?
It'll be 2 years as of tomorrow.
Okay.
So early VIN.
So I'd never owned an EV and never owned a truck, and then I got my Rivian and was just like, this is, why would you ever go back?
So I'm assuming you've also got a launch edition, or?
Yes. Yep.
What color?
Blue.
Blue. That's probably her favorite out of the whole lineup.
What's yours?
I like the Compass Yellow.
It is nice.
I'm a little bit of a wild one right there.
So I will tell you, I like the Compass Yellow, but the red is phenomenal.
I only see it in pictures. I haven't seen it in person yet.
So good out in the wild.
It's a nice little turn signal indicator sound.
Yeah.
Isn't too obnoxious.
It's not as cool as the lock sound. The lock sound's really nice.
Oh, the little chirping.
Chirp you hear. Yeah. So, we got a Pikachu winking at us. That's always nice. So drive mode wise, right now we're in all-purpose at high. I'm gonna change it to sport because I'm gonna accelerate a little bit more.
Sweet.
We'll just keep it in low, but you'll notice the vehicle just drop itself to 10.1 inches of ground clearance. It changes the look of the car.
Oh wow.
We're
That's
in.
so trippy.
Yeah,
stiff.
I can see it.
Yeah.
It allows us to go a little bit better. It changes some of the drive dynamics, the accelerator mapping.
I like that you can change it on the fly, wherever. You don't have to get out and do anything.
No, absolutely. And if I want to just be in front wheel drive, that's it. Now I'm a front wheel drive only vehicle.
Whoa.
So the rear drive unit has a disconnect, so conserve mode will put it in. And then if I'm just like riding in standard, and I want to be back in sport because I want all the horsepower, that is it. Just one button.
Wow.
So you do that while you're driving?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
That's pretty cool.
I like how it changes pictures on the screen too. That's kind of
Yeah, so it'll change, like off-road's got it on rocks, and there's several different off-road modes, but yeah. And then if you're comfortable in the back, otherwise we can adjust the rear air.
comfortable.
And in the front,
She has access to that on the little screen back there as well,
but
right?
it's not locked.
Oh, okay.
And then on the front, if we want to move stuff around, we can adjust the vent location.
Nice.
If I drop it to soft, it'll smooth out a lot of that just small road harshness as well.
Interesting.
That's one thing that she doesn't like about the Y. It feels a little bit too sporty
Yeah.
compared to like the Ram, where the Ram
The suspension's better in it just because it's, I mean,
well, it's got so much more travel.
Yeah. So we've got a nice hybrid of both, and we'll go on this little road and you'll get to feel some of the like cornering, nothing too crazy again, but the fact that you can take this vehicle, you could drive through any of these off-road landscapes, you can rock crawl, you can do stuff, and you can also just comfortably cruise down the road.
Always puts a smile on her face.
Yeah, it's even for me seeing them, like driving one, we're trying to figure out like what's the Rivian wave, you know?
Yeah, that was us with the Y at first.
So like that's a personally owned vehicle.
Oh, nice. Do you live around here, or?
I'm in Southern California. So I wanted to make sure there were no bikes, but before I get to the speed limit sign, that tells me it's 25. I had to make
Oh,
sure.
sure.
So I didn't know.
No,
before that.
of course, we didn't know.
we didn't know.
It could have been 45.
The cornering stiffness of the vehicle and
Uh-huh.
like how little roll there is around a turn. A lot of technology in the suspension of this compared to what you'd expect in a truck.
You guys put in your time.
Yeah.
It's pretty nimble for a truck too, it seems like.
So I've been with Rivian since 2010.
Mm-hmm.
And then I was in Florida for 3 years, moved to Michigan, and then with the company and then moved to California last October. So fairly newly California.
Well, welcome.
Thanks.
Enjoy the sunshine.
Enjoy the fires.
They pay you a tax for it, but it's worth it. How do you like the roof glass from back there?
It's nice. I feel like I'm not used to like sitting in the back seat, so it's definitely like.
Yeah, she usually sits right here in the Y. So
you didn't let her. You just took that.
No, I told him he could.
Oh, okay.